What is up, y'all? It is the People's Champion saying hi. It's been a long time. Last time I updated y'all, I think it was like a day before San Japan. um, but yeah, so actually, I got some footage from San Japan. I meant to upload it a long time ago, but I don't know, it wouldn't fucking upload. It was too long. So I'm actually gonna try to, get off my lazy ass and try to find a way to compress the footage so I can, get it up on YouTube. Because I know how y'all want to see that. And yeah, I did. I bleached the shit out of my hair in an attempt to make it look more like Dante's. But anyway, it's irrelevant. Yeah, I like it. Anyway, but yeah, I don't know. I'm in college now. Fucking sucks. Yeah, like during the week I don't have a life, I'm either studying or, or training MMA. Those of you who don't know me well enough by now. But yeah, anyhow, something I wanted to talk to y'all about today, real quick before I go to class. I'm really irked about this fucking new Devil May Cry. Like, it's really pissing me off. I'm a faithful fan of the old series, the old Dante, the real Dante. I fucking hate this new bullshit, The entire design just makes me sick, really. I mean, like, it leaves me speechless, it really does. This game isn't even out yet, but they're already putting the new Dante in Sony All-Stars. He's getting his own fucking movie. What the hell? Yeah. What happened to the old series? What happened to the old Dante, the real Dante, the real Devil May Cry? It just really makes me mad too, because a lot of people are saying, well, this Dante's better, this Devil May Cry is better. You don't fucking know that. You haven't even played the game yet. You don't know what the story is yet. Why you haven't played some guy. And I know the same could be said about me, but I mean, come on, This, like, I say this not just as a gamer, but as just a huge fan of Devil May Cry. The story, not just the gameplay. The story and the characters, and the character design, and everything like that. Virgil is nothing like Virgil. Shit. I don't know. Dante just doesn't have that. Just doesn't have that vibe that the real Dante has. The gameplay doesn't look very impressive to me. I mean, I thought it's just not it doesn't seem as fast paced to me as the others seem. Like, I don't know. I really think it's hard to beat DMC3, and the gameplay for that was awesome. You could have like freaking 10 enemies on the screen at once. It was really fast paced. This just seemed kind of slow compared to that. And I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like anything about the new Devil May Cry, but what's pissing me off is people are forgetting about the real Devil May Cry. They're forgetting about the real series, and it's just pissing me off. And I tell you, the reason I'm looking so forward to getting fucking Sony All Stars is so I can kill that new Dante imposter faggot as Raiden. Because yeah, I am a big Metal Gear fan, and I'm a big Raiden fan. Most people don't like Raiden. I like Raiden. I'm actually planning a Raiden cosplay. Uh, got the suit taken care of. I just need to get that fucking helmet, and then we'll be good to go. I've got the hair to be MGS2 Raiden. But yeah. Anyway, just kind of letting y'all know where I've been, what I've been up to. Finished my fan fiction, by the way. I'll maybe post a link to that later. Yeah, just giving y'all the heads up, giving you my thoughts on this fucking abomination of a game. Um, and yeah, I shall see y'all soon, and I will try to get the footage from San Japan up tonight. But yeah, peace the fuck out, or however TJ does it. See ya.